All right, hello everybody. Just a quick note on sharing Flipgrid grids or topics with people. I just wanted to share this with you because there has been some challenges in seeing different people's grids based on the permission settings, and this is where you can tweak that. So I just logged in with my St. Mary's Google account, and I'm going to come down here. This is obviously my grid here. This is one I sent you guys to. And then if I hit actions, I'm going to go to edit grid. All right, down here, this first section says community type. You have multiple options here, okay? So I think by default, it starts with school email domain. So that would mean that anybody, the only people who can put information into your grid are people that are in your school email. So for you guys, it would be your International Falls domain. So if you choose it this way, then you can put together a list of kids that can be in there. If you choose it, or students, if you choose this way, then it is wide open. So by doing it this way, it's wide open. The only kind of requirement is that the person has either a Microsoft or a Google email account. That's it. Okay, so if you were sharing with a parent or something like that, this is kind of what you would need to set it as. And they may not all be able to do that. But I've seen it used that way where it's just required that the parents have either a Gmail or a Google account. You can also put a password on each of your grids, and that way, if you want to share that just with specific groups or people, you can put that password on there. Okay. The other settings in here are pretty straightforward. If there's anything else, just take a peek back through here and just take a look at it. And then when you're done, you just hit update. From that point, every grid or every topic in your grid has the same setting. So if I use the celebrations one that you guys did for me, if I click on the edit action here and just kind of take a peek, we'll look through it. It looks like we are okay here. The privacy set, there's only a piece here on whether I need to approve them or not, which I said no. This is the setting that I just changed in the other, in my overall grid area. So the rest of this is all pretty straightforward, but that is the way that you will get others. So if, for example, if you sent to me, you need to make sure that it's set in that way where it says right here, PLC and public in the area, and then we should be good to go. So thanks for your time, and talk to you soon.